Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send bulk personalized job application emails automatically using Google Sheets and AppScript. So this video is just going to be, this tutorial is just going to be making a copy of this particular sheet, which will automatically make a copy of the script too, adjusting the script to put your personal details, and then listing down all the applications you want to send the emails to and clicking the button. It's just a 3-step process, but I will break it down into further steps for you guys to understand how this entire thing works. Do not worry, I will share the link for you guys to make copies of this particular sheet. So let's get started by zooming in so that we can see the columns that the sheet has. So we have recipient name, email, role, company name, and the status column to track if the email was sent or not. So if I was doing this, I'll first get all of these columns filled, and then when you've made a copy of of this particular sheet that you will have access to via the link, go into file and go make a copy. So I will do that right now. I will call it YT video copy. So as you can see, attached AppScript file will also be made a copy of when this is made when you copy it to your drive, and then go ahead and make a copy. So I will close this for now because I don't need it, and I have this original one. Once you've made a copy, you will see the exact same sheet with the test data, the button, and we can navigate into the app script by going to extensions and clicking on app script. And on the app script, you will see some of the important variables like your name, LinkedIn URL, and the PDF file, which is going to be your CV or your resume. So make sure the file name that you add here has the file extension. Also, it is a unique name that is in, and the file is in your drive. So make sure that is sorted out before you come to this part of the tutorial. Then make sure the email is updated. Now this email is relevant to my background, so make sure the email is up to date according to how you want it to be, but there is no need to change the company name every time you send it or the role, because as you read the email, you'll understand that the way it's written and the way the placeholders fetch your name, the role that you're applying for, and the company name makes sense. So I would say keep the first line, and the rest would be the cover letter of your that belongs to your background and whatever you need it to be. And you can see at the bottom also the placeholder of your name and the placeholder of your LinkedIn URL is added, and the subject, very important, it says job application, and the role for the job application will be replaced here. Now these two variables, that is name, URL, and the file name, is adjusted here, while the others, that is company name, recipient name, and the role, and obviously the email is fetched from the sheet. So those are the things you'll need to update. Some parts, some of the variables in the sheet, some meaning all of this, and if the email body, and if the subject needs updating. Once that is done, make sure you fill this with all of the information that needs to be filled. Obviously not the status column, because that is how you will identify if the email was sent or not. Once that is done, click on the send emails button. This is where you will see something very important happening. This is where you give authorization to the sheet and to AppScript and obviously Google Drive to fetch your PDF and to use the information in this sheet and to send emails via your Gmail. So this is, and it will ask and show what permissions to use and not to use. So let me click OK. After clicking OK, you will see how you have to choose an account. That is the account that is going to be a Google account, and this is going to be the Gmail account that the emails will go through. And you can see how it needs to use an account to continue to the script that the emails will again go through. So just bear in mind the name over here and the name over here is the same. That way you know it's the actual script. So click on an account. After clicking an account, you will see this message. Do not worry, this is just telling you that the script that is over here is not an official script. It's just a script that you wrote, and it is not verified. So do not worry, just bear in mind that it is the same email that you are going to be using, and everything is happening via your end, and there is no other intervention that's happening. So click on go to auto emails, and here you see the different types of permissions you will need to provide. So Google Drive permission, Google Sheets permission, and send email as you, which is the Gmail permission. Select all, continue. Okay, so this should trigger the job. At this point, you will start seeing the status is getting updated. The first time you trigger the job will take some time. There you go. And that's it. Your emails are sent out complete with a personalized cover letter and a resume attached. Bear in mind there is a daily email quota of 250 emails per day from Google. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more no code automations like this.